Thank you for ordering KingSky CNC 4-corner crimping machine. This button is the emergency stop button, and the middle green button is used to start or turn off the hydraulic system. First let me introduce the manual operation for you. There are three axes. Y1, Y2 axis, and this Y1 and Y2 is used to decrease the distance of the crimping, and width. Another the plus button used to increase the distance. And the Y1 axis and the Y2 axis is the same operation to adjust the crimping height, because it's crimped a rectangular shape, so the Y1 axis and Y2 axis should be the same. And this button is used to clamp the profiles, and below the button is used to push the clamps forward or backward, like this. And this used to clamp the profiles. It depends on your profile. Sometimes you should clamp, sometimes you don't need it. Normally, for manual adjustment, we used to the low pressure, and this button is used to clamp the profiles. It will move the crimping head in position. Press it will move forward. Press again, it will backward. And this used to move the crimping fork. When the crimping head is in position, you can press this button to crimp the profiles. After the adjustment is finished, we can go to the auto operation. And now we set the crimping width and the crimping height. For example, let's set crimping width is 600 mm. We input 600, enter, and the height is 1200. We input the digits and enter. Because it's rectangular, so it's same, 1200, and enter. Firstly, please press the left button to move the X and Y1, Y2 axis in position. 600, 1200, 1200. Okay, after that, we put the profiles in position for 4 corners and press the pre-crimping in the middle. It's already in position, so we can start the machine. Firstly, the crimping head will go forward, and the clamp go down, and the crimping fork crimp the profiles. Okay, it's finished. And there are also some parameters to set in. This is to set the high pressure time. Sometimes it depends on your profile. And this is the crimping fork time and the internal pressure time. It depends on your profile crimping effects. You can adjust as per your profiles. And also we have internal parameters here. Hold on the logo, and it will enter into the internal. And this you will find the speed of the manual, low speed or high speed, and auto speed. You can adjust by yourselves. And you should to save the data. This is the operation introduction. Thank you. Now let me introduce the manual adjustment of crimping position. And this is the crimping head and the crimping fork. You can adjust the position by the screws. Please pay attention to the screw on the crimping head and the crimping fork. You should adjust the position just the same. It can fit into the groove or turner. And now you should also adjust the crimping head position forward or backward by this term. And also you can adjust the crimping height by the screws here and this part to adjust the crimping depth. It depends on your profiles. The front or rear position of the crimping fork is adjustable by this long screw here. You just turn it around. It will move the position just like this. But before you adjust the long screw, you have to loosen the screws under this table. Okay, that's all. Thank you.